Hello guys, this is my new delivery from China, AliExpress, and I want to open it. And it's easy because it's already a little bit crashed. This is my new pad for here. Yes. This is a new monitor, small monitor, and I have a UGREEN switch. UGREEN switch, and this is close. Let me try. This is gloves for winter. Let me see, it's good or not. It's quite good, yeah. Very nice, very nice. Very nice. So, USB cable. This is a short but strong USB cable. Type C cable. And this is a wall mount. This is the wall mount for the monitor, the portable display. This is another Type C and normal USB adapter. Yeah, this is that. What is this? This and this and this and this. What's this? What is this? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look. This is a screwdriver with voltage detector. Yeah. The last one. What is this? Oh yeah. This is stuff for soldering wires. This helps soldering wires. This is it. This is. Yeah. 3 pieces, and yeah, that's all. And I want to check the items. On my AliExpress account. This is it. Yeah, this is it.